some stuff in this one as well, so I'm just going to show that to you guys. Now right here is that this, as you know, this is silk. The fabric, it comes out, it's out from this part, so I'm just going to do that. And right in the middle of my sewing, my inner thread, it like and it just rains anytime of day, because you know it's monsoon season right now, so of course it will rain a lot. It was raining yesterday a lot as well, and I was feeling I was looking out the window, looking at the rain, and it was so good. If it rains today, maybe I'll show it to you guys. And there you go. So what happens is that this method, you get it through both sides like that. But I won't get the tool which turns it outside out. So you guys now I will put the elastic in. My favorite part of making a scrunchie is finishing up, because the satisfaction you get after you put in the elastic, tie it, and when you just sew that last end, and then you get up, and then you feel really happy that you have finally completed it. Yeah, I really love that. I put half of it in. Now the worst thing while putting the elastic in is to lose your elastic through the whole thing. So when you lose your elastic, it's so annoying, and then you have to start over again. That's not that good. Even if you love to put the elastic in, it still hurts, because you went so much. Especially it's worst when you reach the end and you accidentally let go. That's game over, and then you're like, I'll do this later now, because it doesn't want to happen. So I have pulled this through, stretch and check. I lost show you guys now. It still looks pretty even with the elastic on it. I'm just going to tighten it up and then cut it. I still have to like do it, but I guess we'll get that done. It's so beautiful. There are still some ends running out. We'll cut those later. Look at that. It's like the best scrunchie I've ever made. It's also super stretchy. Wow. Look at the shine in it. So now we're just going to tie up some more knots. And 3, 2, going in that much, so I'll just cut off this top one as well, the chiffon, because that one's a bit loose. Wrapped in, but it's wrapped inside such a pretty thing that it looks totally complete. Stretchy. Wear it. So beautiful. I just have to sew this part. I have to cut it and overlap these both. But we'll do that fast, but so pretty. It looks so beautiful. Even if this is beautiful, this is what happened while making it. So while making, I got covered in all of this stuff. And here's my elastic. We don't need that. My scissors. Let's put that back. It's so pretty, you guys. I'm totally putting this up for sale. And even when you don't have this one on, the inner one is our orange scrunchie, the orange silk one, included in the royal bundles as well. It's so beautiful.